Kafoodle offers a full 360-degree digital solution to our clients for kitchen management and communication. Kafoodle Kitchen is the main component of our software and acts as the engine room where all data is stored and maintained to be used across any of our modules. Ingredients data is stored in the system with allergen, nutrition and costing information. We can store may contain allergen data and allow for ingredients to be tagged with criteria such as suitable for vegetarian, vegan, halal, etc., enabling easy searching and filtering. Ingredients can be filed and managed easily in the intuitive and user-friendly interface. Any updates or changes to ingredients will propagate instantly to recipes and menus where the ingredient is being used, ensuring minimal human intervention and room for error. Ingredients data is used to build recipes, bringing the allergens, costs and nutrition data with them into the recipe. A method and HACCP can be added, culminating in a recipe spec sheet which can be utilised online or printed out or downloaded. This will show all relevant information about the recipe for chefs to use, including safety measures to be followed. There is a full audit trail so users can track any saved changes to recipes. Particularly useful if there is an issue that needs to be investigated in line with the food safety policy. There is a labelling function in Kafoodle, allowing you to print compliant labels for any grab-and-go or takeaway options. Our software also allows you to access data sheets to report specifically on allergens or nutrition, and these sheets can be limited to specific menus. These can also be used online or printed or downloaded for offline use. Again, any changes to menus will be instantly reflected in online data sheets, minimizing human error. The menus and data created in Kafoodle Kitchen can then be communicated to diners via one of our communication tools. We can provide a URL which can be embedded into a website, or a QR code which can be scanned to allow diners to view menus and filter by allergen and/or nutritional preferences. This is an area we're developing further to allow our clients far more customizable elements to ensure that brand identity and design can be maintained. We also have a full communications app framework which offers customizable content beyond just menus, including hosting blogs, events and feedback. The menu information is still pulled from Kafoodle Kitchen as live with up-to-date allergen and nutrition data. The menus can be filtered according to a diner's food preferences. Diners can now pre-order and pay for their choices in the app. Our clients will receive orders incoming to a screen in the kitchen and allow collection, delivery and eating options as per individual business processes. This allows the ultimate flexibility for diners and allows businesses to be competitive and innovative in their offering.